をてけ自衛隊はギャータウエコロナウマイキテクラ
Heya hara! Don't worry about it.
I'm over studies. I think I'm just gonna, carry on. Oh, Melody, hey Hara, let's just go to the roast shop and get some honey chicken noodles. No, I really think that I should just stay here and do the Melody one because I'm a bit unsure of some of the stuff. Your shout, Melody.
Don't worry about her, Melody. You don't need no noodles. Only noodle you need is up here.
I'm out. It's time. There you go, miss. You got that? I aced that. That was the easiest geo assessment I've ever done. That was today, Melody. What? Hey, hara, alright? Honey chicken noodles. Chicken noodles.